So today we will be looking into the state management in the Rust framework Leptos. Leptos is a reactive framework and it should be a fun activity for us. Let's get started. No. So this is our home page and we have this home screen. Then we go to to-dos page and then we have this to-do. What I'm hoping is as soon as we click the add button after adding what's on your mind, our to-do should reflect bottom here. And I'm hoping that we manage a global state so that we can access the state or to do throughout the application. um, let's get started. So this is our to do's page and we have a to do here defined as id and to do with size and string. We're taking input using this input bar and then we're displaying it here. For right now I have a vector hard coded, so the whatever we add won't reflect here. Let's increase the font size a bit. This is good. Okay, now let's go to main. uh, let's go to lib, have a state, then we create a state and we go to state, then we use leptos and everything inside it, and we create a public struct state, and it should be to do's, and then inside read write signal we should have a to do. Perfect. Let's import our to do's. Yep. So to do has been imported. Let's implement our state, and I think this should have a derive of default. So what we'll do is we'll set it in the global context. So we'll have a public function set global, and this should return, I guess, nothing. Then we do this, and this is self default, and then we have provide context to this dot clone, and finally let's return the self. Okay, then we do this. Perfect. Hmm. Now let's add a get method, so it will return a simply self. This would be, I think, expect context is sufficient. This clone is not. Okay, so let's add a clone here as well. Perfect. Now in the lib we'll list our, I think we just need to do state set global. So we're declaring it in the state. Let's do something like use state and state. This is good. Now in the state we'll create a function to add a to do. We'll take a to do string and will not return anything. Hmm. To do's, okay, we can't. So this is good. Public function remove to do by id. So id is size. This is also good. And then we'll have a public function to do's. We return a vector of to do, and then we do something like again correct. So this is good. Let's go into our lib. So we'll go to home, and then the button we have, let's format this. So let's make it move format, have this, and then we'll show the count. So state, to do's, and length. This is good. Now we go to do's page and we add to do. So we have a add button, we have add to do here. Let's simply do state add to do, and then we call it task, and then we'll have somewhere delete to do. So we'll do something like state uh, remove a to do, and then this should be to do dot id. So this is also good, and here it should be state to do's. Perfect. So at home we have 0 to do's. Now let's add one. So add state management with UI. We have one. We go to previous page and we have one. And then post video on YouTube. Happy coding. And finally, Leptos is awesome. So we have 4 here and we have 4 here. Perfect.